Hello, CAT aspirants. Today I'm here with a very important question. What to attempt, VA or RC? What is going to give me better accuracy, VA or RC? What is going to help me in clearing the cutoff, VA or RC? Before reaching any final conclusion, let's decode what CAT VRC 2024 has given us. If we decode the slot 1, we can see that the 6 questions were on the easy parameter in the RC, whereas the 4 questions were on the moderate level. Moving ahead to the VA, there is giving me the 3 easy questions and the 4 moderate. So in and all, I can say in the RC, I can attempt 10 questions which include moderate and easy. And in VA, I can attempt 5 questions including moderate and accuracy. But here comes another question. Is attempting only these 10 questions going to maintain my accuracy? Because here it is a moderate as well. And remember, in the moderate questions, generally your accuracy falls. And if I talk about the investment of the time, it is always high. So with this ratio, is it advisable to invest your time in the moderate question? I will say no. Rather, I will focus on picking up the easy set of questions from both RC and VA. Generally, students do this mistake. They think that the RC is the most important section in VRC. And they focus only on the 4 RCs, that is like 16 questions. That 16 questions has moderate questions also, has difficult questions also. And in this only they consume 40 minutes, leaving behind the VA, the easy questions of the VA. Let's decode the slot 2 of 2024. Slot 2 of 2024 is giving me 6 easy questions in the RC and the 4 moderate. Whereas VA is only giving me 2 easy questions and 4 moderate. So if an average student is relying only on VA, it is going to be a difficult task for him here, because he is getting only 2 easy questions in VA. He has to go to RC to attain the cutoff. Let's go and analyze the slot 3 as well. In slot 3 is only 1 easy RC was there. That is like 3 doable questions. Whereas again in the VA, there were the 3 easy questions and near about 4 moderate questions. My question is only simple. I'm asking only one question to you. Investing the time in the moderate questions or investing time in easy question, which is going to accelerate your accuracy. If you confine yourself only to the RC, only to a VA, it means you are losing the easy question and the other section. Losing the easy question means you are investing your time in the moderate and where your accuracy is going down. Somewhere the frustration is also increasing. This is the first section. You have DILR, you have quant to do ahead. If you are frustrated here, how you are going to perform in the other 2 sections? Right? Yes, while doing the sectional test, while giving the mocks, do analyze which section is giving, which part of the VRC is giving you the more accuracy. Is it VA or is it RC? Do that section first. Out of 40 minutes, put 30 minutes in that section, but don't wholly rely on that section. You need to pick up the easy question. You need to make your trajectory in VRC in such a way that there are only easy questions in your way. Let's do one quick analysis of percentile and the score. With 18 marks, I'm getting 80 percentile. 18 marks in an all essay 6 questions. Let's keep 3 questions as a buffer. So all over 9 questions is going to give me 80 percentile. To attain 98 percentile, I have to score 36 marks. 36 marks is like 12 questions. Let's keep 3 as a buffer, so only 15 questions. 98 percentile is a good percentile in VRC. But you have to do only 15 questions out of 24 questions. This is what you need to pick. What you have not picked is the difficult question. You have skipped moderate questions. So the first pick up the easy questions, invest your time in that easy questions, and then move ahead. Now this easy question can be from your VA and can be from your RC. Whole VRC is revolving on one mantra, that is to comprehend. If you are able to comprehend, you can do VA, you can do RC. So again, I'm saying the same thing. Don't confine yourself on VA or in RC. Expand your horizon. Pick up the easy questions. Focus on the easy questions and not on the RC or VA. Thank you, class.